In today's the Manwati video, it's Python time and we are doing 10 seconds versus 1 minute versus 10 minutes in Python. And here we go 10 seconds. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that was 8 seconds. And this is if we say something to the the system, like for example hello, it will repeat hello. So it's a lazy 10-second game. I couldn't make any other big games in 10 seconds, could I? So next is I think that's okay for 10 seconds. Next is 1 minute, and I am going to do a calculator like thing for 1 minute. So it's sum finding. Okay, so in 3 2 1 go. Oh gosh. No. Oh crap. It's halfway there. A integer B. Okay, I think that's it. 5 seconds. I think that's it. Let's try that out. First number 1 is so tense. Yeah, 3. We got 3 as the answer. That is good for 1 minute. I'm sweating, I think. That was, I messed up over here. That string thing, inverted commas. That was okay. Double inverted commas. That was really tough. Okay. So next is 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, what I'm going to make is I'm going to make a quick, what was that? A rock paper scissors. All right. So 1 minute. Let's go. Starts. Let's see. First of all, I'm going to make a rock paper scissor game using that. So 1 minute starts now. So I need to import random for the computer deciding the rock paper scissors. Okay, and options equal to, or u, I can make it simple, u equal to a list. I'm going to make a list. Yeah, and it's going to be rock paper scissor. Right, so I have that ready, and from this it's gonna pick randomly. So I'm gonna say random dot choice u, and it's going to be saved in computer, or let's say computer equal to random dot choice u. Now user equal to input, and I'm going to say the entire thing. Okay. That's not good. Alright, there you go. And I'm not wanting this rock paper or scissor. Okay, there you go. Now if computer equal to user, then print, don't say draw, right? then okay, sorry, I messed up. And next one is if computer equal to use index 0 and user equal to which one is it? So use index is rock, then I'm going to start with scissors. Okay, so if it is scissors, then print computer win because rock eats scissors. Inside that, let me quickly see the time. Yeah, it's okay. Now if I copy that and put it over here, instead of 0 index, I'm going to do first index, that is paper. So paper and scissor, that wins, scissor wins, so user wins. I'm going to over here print gosh, I'm messing up a lot. Computer, it's because of tension. Okay, next one is if it is second index, that is scissor. I don't want to write that because I already wrote a draw thing. So next it's going to be the first index for paper. So that is first index, that is, I mean 0th index, that is rock. Yeah, rock with paper, that's going to be paper wins, so user wins. And if I paste that, what is that? I don't know. If I paste that, it's gonna be, yeah, 1, and that is draw, so I don't want to do that. And if it is 2, scissor, computer, paper, okay, it is correct, computer wins. Now the next is here for rock and rock, I already did that. Now paper is correct, and I'm gonna do that again. And instead of that, it's the second index, and user equal to rock. Then it's going to be, second one is scissors, so user wins. Alright, so that is, how much seconds is that? Okay, that was so super quick. It's 5 minutes or something, 5 minutes something, and that's super quick, and I can just do that. And I can also do one more thing. If user not, okay, if user in, sorry, so not in, I'm going to say you, then print invalid answer. Okay, so let's try this game. So 10 minutes, I just did it in 5 minutes anyways, 5 or 6 minutes. Now let's try that. Alright, so I've got rock, paper, scissors, and it's asking for, okay, so I might want to put that down over here. Now run that, Let's see. Yeah, it said invalid answer. That's correct because I didn't put anything. It said invalid answer because it's not in this U list. Anyways, so the next thing it's asking, I'm going to say rock, and it was scissors, and I won because rock destroyed, smashed scissors. Now I'm using paper, that's draw, and now scissors. Is there scissors? Yeah, there's scissors. Oops, I didn't run it again. Run that again. Scissors. It also did scissors and etc. So that's it for today's Python video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So go do that. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button.